Today, Nina Kvasnikoff, an elder of Nanwalek, is going to share her version of unique Nanwalek sushi. Bidarkis are a chitin that we pick year-round. From places like this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here is Nina Kvasnikoff sharing how she prepares the bidarkis for use with sushi.
All right, so can you tell me a little bit about the different kinds of fish or what you put into the sushi here in Nanwalek and a little bit about where it comes from? Let's start with bidarki. What is bidarki?
Okay, bidarki is a chitin that we pick year-round, and I cook it, clean them, and then I grind them up, and I use onion, garlic, all kinds of seasoning with oil and smoke flavor. And what I do is I put a little bit of rice to cover the seaweed. Bidarki? Should I? Bidarki? Okay. Nobody's saying anything. Help me here. Help me while I'm here. Okay. Your sushi should look like this. Okay? See it? And then the next, we put a little bit of, usually I use a bamboo mat. I didn't bring it. And then you take your bamboo mat, pretend this is a bamboo mat. We take it and we roll it, but don't roll the bamboo mat in it. Roll, 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 and cover. But you use it wet, and you just slice. And it has to be sharp. This one's not very sharp. And that's what you get, okay? And you can stack them and put little fish eggs on top. And I don't have a little plate, so, oh yes I do, sorry. Oh, no, I'm connected, so. Now to cut it, usually you use a wet, sharp knife. This one's knife, it cuts easier. This isn't cutting very well, so. And it wouldn't break up like this. It would look better than this, but you know. There you go. Now, you guys all do it yourself. Okay?
Bidarki sushi is unique. Nina also shared other variations of how sushi could be.
Surimi. Everybody knows what a surimi is. And I put onions, garlic, dillweed, and mayo. Okay?
What is one of the craziest ingredients that you use in sushi?
The craziest I've used is hot dogs. I cut a strip of hot dog with the celery and carrots, and kids love them. It's still sushi.